Here's a quick walkthrough on how to control the navigation options in Google Sites. So there are two types of navigation. There's a horizontal nav that can have drop-down lists, and there's a sidebar over here that can have links. So what Teresa would like is to have these options nested underneath one of these other options. So we're going to go ahead and change this. I'm going to show you how. So from the gear menu, after you've signed in, you're going to go to Edit Site Layout. Up here you'll see Header, Horizontal Navigation. This will just turn horizontal nav on or off. So I'll keep that off for now, but just clicking it brings it back with whatever options I have. And this is the sidebar navigation. So we're going to click sidebar just to show you what that is, make it go away, and bring it back. So think of those as light switches. Now if I want to edit the navigation, I come over here and click on the box. I have unchecked, so I'm not displaying the word navigation. And I want to indent week 1 and week 2 underneath this get up and do something. So we'll click OK, and it'll update, and now we see that this is nested with the little triangle. But what if we wanted to add another page? So if we created a page and it's not showing on our navigation, we need to add that page. So we'll open it back up, choose Add Page, and I think I'm off the screen for you now, but I came down here and I have a page called Week 3. Bring it up and click OK. And now you'll see it's at the bottom of the list, so I can just move it up where I need it to be, and then indent it once. I'll click OK, and there you go. So I hope this is a helpful little walkthrough for you. I'm going to just close this Edit Site Layout, and then our sidebar navigation does what it needs to do. I want to collapse it. Okay, I could just click one of these others, and I can click that little triangle. It just took a moment for it to collapse. And then I can bring it back by clicking the triangle. And there are the 3 pages. Something else that we can do, let's just go in here and do a little more editing. This will edit the site layout, and we'll make this sidebar navigation a little wider. And we'll make the sidebar navigation a little wider. That's actually on the sidebar, not within the navigation widget. We'll click the pencil to edit it, and I will make it 250 pixels this time. And click OK. And now you see that's wider. If you decide that's too wide, you can come back and make it 200. If you decided that you didn't want to use the sidebar and you wanted the horizontal navigation, it's the same concept. You just click on the horizontal navigation and come here until it is highlighted, and then click on it, and you can add pages. And I'll just add week 1. Click OK. And then I can reorganize that wherever I wanted it using this little navigation. So now it'll show up under Welcome. I'll click OK, and then close this menu, and you'll see that week 1 now has a drop down, and here's where the other ones were indented for our drop down. And you can adjust all the colors, and you can see we've had some fun playing around with these. So I hope that's a helpful little walkthrough as far as how to obtain your navigation with Google Sites. Have a great day.